The heavier debris fell back to the ground, turning into colossal pyroclastic flows.
It was sort of like a hurricane made up of 800-degree ash and pumice and hot gases. Just wipes things out completely.
For miles, these lethal rivers of ash and gas cooked animals alive and brushed forests aside like twigs.
They extend actually outside of Yellowstone into Idaho and into the Teton region. Some of this material flowed down and actually covered parts of the floor of Jackson Hole. So these scenes extend tens of miles away from the actual eruption location.
For days, the Yellowstone volcano continued to heave tons of molten debris into the air and devastated the nearby terrain. Then, across the caldera, another colossal explosion. Then another. Eruption after eruption began shooting more and more lava and pulverized rock into the air.
Typically, when these eruptions begin, they begin at a single vent, and the event may then get larger, moving out along some sort of a fracture system.
Yellowstone had turned into a super eruption. Its devastation would reach around the world. Yellowstone's last super eruption occurred 640,000 years ago. It started as a single massive volcano, but soon turned into a series of eruptions, exploding with the full force of a supervolcano.
The entire sequence of pyroclastic explosions that formed the Yellowstone caldera may have taken as little as 2 weeks to happen.
Pyroclastic flows slashed across the landscape, obliterating thousands of square miles.